You know, there's been a tremendous amount of activity coming from Washington, D.C. just over the last year. And NADA is providing tremendous amounts of materials to our members, both at the show and otherwise, to help them comply with these regulations. Many of these rules apply directly to dealers, but they also apply to dealer technology vendors and our OEM partners. As a result, while we're gathering in Las Vegas for the show, we wanted to make sure that you knew of a special workshop session that we have on Thursday, February 1st at 10:30 a.m. just for dealer technology vendors and other vendors and our OEM partners. We're going to talk about what's been coming out of Washington, D.C., and in particular, the vehicle shopping rule, which is going to have a huge impact on every aspect of the vehicle shopping and sales experience. You need to know what you're going to be hearing from your dealers on these rules in the coming year. So make this a part of your show. Mark your calendar today, Thursday, February 1st at 10:30 a.m. All dealer technology vendors and OEM personnel are invited, and we hope to see you there.